Hey everyone, this is a Hunter Coastal Breeze Plus. I have to take this down because it has a light and I'm not supposed to put fans for light here. I just wanted to test it here, and that's just the only place I could put it last night because I couldn't drill. So, this fan is from 2000. And these are quite powerhouses, these Coastal Breeze Pluses. Got this at the PA meet. It came flush mounted. It was like $10. So, like, why not? $10. And it's a good performer. Like, I already feel a good breeze on low. Like, this is not a bad fan at all. Go to medium. Jesus, it's making me cold. I can feel it from here. Because it's very cold down here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this fan has a lot of power to it. That's for sure. Now let's go to high. On high, the thing absolutely flies. Unfortunately, it came flush mounted, but was a lot of air. Oh. Thank you for watching. Bye.